Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating Paramount Plus on your TV. Whether you're using a smart TV, a streaming device, or a gaming console, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Paramount Plus app. First, ensure that your TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the App Store on your device. This could be the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or your device's respective app store. Search for Paramount Plus and download the app. Step 2. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, locate the Paramount Plus app on your TV and open it. Step 3. Select Sign In. When the app launches, you will see options to either sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Paramount Plus account, select Sign In. If you're new, follow the prompts to create an account on another device. Step 4. Obtain the activation code. After selecting Sign In, you will be prompted to enter your sign-in credentials. Upon signing in, an activation code will appear on your TV screen. Step 5. Navigate to the activation website. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to www.paramountplus.com. Activate. Step 6. Enter the activation code. On the activation website, you'll see a field to enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Input the code exactly as it appears and click Activate. Step 7. Sign in to your Paramount Plus account. If prompted, sign in with the account credentials you used in the app. Once logged in, you will receive a confirmation that the activation is successful. Step 8. Start watching. Return to your TV and the app should refresh automatically. You can now start browsing and streaming content available on Paramount Plus. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can always return to the app and follow the instructions, or check out the help section on the Paramount Plus website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.